Good evening, dear friends. This is Meena again, back to talk to you. Today, I just would like to few words to the new beginners in a life, in a career, specifically in nursing career. They're angels chosen by the gods, and that is why I just want to tell them that if you really want to achieve success in life, anybody for that matter, any student entering any college or career, they have to keep it in mind 4 D's. The 4D mantras I am going to explore today in front of you so that you will really like it and you will definitely grow in your professional life. All these 4 D's play a very vital role. D number 1 is discipline. Once you focus on this discipline is very important in your life to get successful, to get where you want to go to. When I say discipline, that means doing everything on the right time. Maintaining your body, maintaining your diet, doing your exercises on right time. Set the time for everything. No procrastination. That I will do it tomorrow, I will do it day after tomorrow. No. Be disciplined in life. Get up at right time, sleep at right time, recreate at right time. Discipline your body for having good foods, good exercises. Discipline has got lot to do in life. All those who are successful people have disciplined lifestyle. They get up at particular time, they get up do their exercise at particular time. If you want to formulate the habit, you have to do it continuously for 10 to 21 days and you are there. Your body get automatically disciplined. Discipline is doing things every day at right time in a good manner so that your body is trained and nothing is impossible then for you. Then no looking back for you. So D number 1 is discipline. D number 2 is determination. Determination is focusing on your goal. Everybody must have some purpose, some goal in life. So you focus on your goal and be determined that I am going to do this and nobody is going to stop me. Dear ones, the obstacles are there, the hindrances are there, but you have to overcome those obstacles. You have to overcome those hindrances, and for that you have to believe in yourself. Yes, I can do. And that is what is called as determination. I will complete this particular course in 3.5 years or 3 years with this particular marks. Be determined, be focused, and for that you need to be focused. Don't allow your focus to scrambled, don't go haywire. Just be focused and you will be there. So determination is the second D. Third one is dedication. Whatever you are doing, dedicate yourself. Anyway, you are going to do it, so why not love it? Whatever you do, love that thing. And when you start loving what you are doing, the result is awesome, amazing. The output is very good. You really become a successful person. In a career, in study wise, everywhere, wherever you go, you see that you dedicate yourself, because there is no substitute for hard work. You need to work hard on your goal and focus on your goal. There are no shortcuts in life. No shortcuts at all. All big peoples, all big achievers never chose shortcut. Hard work. You have to put in and day out your efforts to get right there where you want to go. What is your purpose? What you want to become in life? So dedicate your time, dedicate your efforts, You might have to be awake whole night, but don't know your dreams may come true because of those nights, what you have put in. So third D is dedication. The fourth one is devotion. Is very important in any career. Devote yourself. Be there every time available. And keep in your mind that I can do it. Have a strong willpower. When there is a will, there is a way. So there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. So devote. Lot of devotion is required if you want to achieve certain thing in a life. So I hope this particularly short message will help you grow in your career, in your study, and in your life. So discipline, determination, devotion and dedication will take you where you want to be. This is again Meena signing off. Hope to see you again with good motivational message. Thank you for listening.